Good morning, students. Welcome to class with mathematics. Today we will study about the division of decimal. Now, division we are already done in class 3rd and 4th, where we divided the whole number, right? Now in class 5th we have concept of decimal is there. So today we will learn or study that how we can divide the decimal number. So our first concept is there, division of decimal number by a whole number. It is quite easy, okay? The division of decimal number by whole number. So you can easily divide the decimal number by a whole number. Now how we can divide it? Let us take an example. Let us suppose I have a number is 18.24. I have to divide it by 6 8, sorry, I will divide it by 8, right? So how I can divide it? So now let us see, in the divisor one digit is there is one digit in the, take the one digit from the dividend, so it is dividend, right? So 18 is there, you will take one only, single digit, here we have the single digit, so you will take one digit from the dividend, right? So in the table of 8, whether 1 will come or not, right? Beside the table of 8, 0 are the 0, 8 1 are the 8, 1 is smaller, 1 8 are the 8 is greater. So 8 0 are the 0, you will divide by 0 now. Now take the next digit 8. Okay. Now 8 beside the table of 8 again. 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are the 24. So 8 2 are the 16 because 16 is less than, so 18 and 24 is greater, so you will take 8 2 are the 16. Now subtract again, you will get 2. Now after that we have next step is there, that is, now it is the turn of decimal. Okay, so what you will do, you will take this decimal here. Okay, now decimal is over. After that you will down the next digit 2. Now we have 22 is there. Okay, you have no need to down the decimal, you will write the decimal here in the quotient. Okay, now आपने 8 डेसिमल जो है वो क्वेश्चन में लेके जाना है, जब डेसिमल की टर्न आएगी, जैसे उस डेसिमल की टर्न आती है तो आप उसको क्वेश्चन में लेके जाएंगे. नाउ again inside the table of 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 24 is greater than 22, so 8 2 are the 16. Now subtract it again, 6. Now take down the next digit 4, it is 64 now. Now 8 8 are the 64. Now subtract it. So what is your answer? Your quotient is 2.28. So in this way we can divide the decimal number by a whole number. Let us take another example. I am 0.965 by 5. Now I am going to divide 0.965 by 5. Okay, so you can recite the table of 5. Before that one, let's just look at the dividend. Here we have 0 point. Okay, so in dividend, first number is, it is 0. Okay, now recite the table of 5. 5 0 are the 0. Don't take the 2 digits at a time because it may cause you problem. So it's my suggestion to you people, you will always take the single digit, always. Okay, if we have one digit in the divisor, okay, one digit is there, you will take first time one digit from the dividend. Okay, so here one digit I taken one digit from the dividend 0. So and after that we recite the table of 5. 5 0 are the 0. So after subtraction 0 is there, so now it is the turn of decimal. After 0 decimal is there, so it is the turn of decimal. Take this decimal to the quotient. Now put the decimal here. Okay, if you put the decimal here, and now you can down the next digit 9. Now in the table of 5, recite the table of 5, whether the 9 is come or not. 5 1 are the 5, 5 2 are the 10, 10 is the greater than 9, so 5 1 are the 5. Subtract it now. 4 is left. Now take the next digit 6. Okay, take the next digit 6. Now recite the table of 5 again. 9 5 are the 45. Now subtract it, 1 you will get. Now take the next digit, down it, and 5 3 are the 15. So what is your quotient? 0.193. Now let us take another example. Let us take another example. 4.804. Okay, now divide it by 2. Right, it is quite easy to divide. Now first step is, how many digit in divisor? One digit. You will take one digit from the dividend, so you will take one digit from the dividend. Here 4 is there. Now recite the table of 2. 2 2 are the 4. Okay, now subtract it, you will get 0. You can write 0 or you can put cross marks here. Okay, after that it is a turn of decimal. Now it is the turn of decimal, so turn of decimal is there, you will put the decimal in the quotient. Okay, this decimal you will put in quotient. Okay, now down the next digit 8. Now recite the table again. 2 4 are the 8. Subtract it, you will get again 0. After that down next digit 0. Okay, after down when you down the digit, okay, 0 डाउन कर लिया आपने. डाउन करने के बाद, okay, what you will do? You will divide it. So in the table of 2, 0 is there, 2 0 are the 0. So you will get 0 again. Now down the next digit 4. 2 2 are the 4. Okay. Now I will take one more example. Okay, that is, now I will divide 4.212. Okay, I will divide it by 6. Now again the same rule you will apply. What the rule? One digit is there, you will take one digit from the dividend. Okay. Now recite the table of 6, whether the 4 is come or not. Table of 6, you will please be clear. We should clear, that is you will recite the table right from 0. Okay, any number table you will recite from 0, that is 6. If you recite the table of 6 from 0, that is 6 0 are the 0, then 6 1 are the 6. So in this way you can recite the table. Now 6 in the table of 6 4 will come or not. 6 0 are the 0, so 4 will not come. So okay, please, it's my advice to you people, never take the 2 digits at a time. Okay, never take. You will take at a time 1 digit only. Okay, so one digit there, you have taken 1 digit, and after that you will recite the table of 6. 6 0 are the 0 and 4 is left. After it is the turn of decimal. Now put the decimal in. Put the decimal in quotient. Okay. Now take the next digit 2. Now 6 7 are the 42. Right. Now take the next digit 1. Right. So in this case, don't take the next digit, because you think that this one is not divisible by 6, right? So don't take the second next digit. Before taking the next digit, you will divide it, and you will divide by 0. 6 0 are the 0, so you will subtract it. After that you will get 1. Now next digit is 2, down it, and 6 2 are the 12. So in this way you can divide the decimal number by a whole number. Now we have the next concept is there, that is the division of the decimal number by whole number. Okay, 0.5 divided by 2. So how I can divide it? So 0.5 divided by 2, right? To take the 1 digit from the dividend and 1 digit from, because 1 digit is in divisor, so you will take 1 digit from the dividend. So 2 0 are the 0. So 0 is there. After that is the turn of decimal. Put the decimal in the quotient. Now take down the next digit 5. 2 2 are the 4. So 1 is left now. Now in this case, if anything left in the reminder, what you will do? Okay, then at that time you will keep and adding zeros, okay, and divide till the remainder is no remainder is left. मीन्स अगर आपके पास अगर रिमाइंडर बच जाता है, कुछ ही बच जाता है, तो वो रिमाइंडर बचाना नहीं है हमने, उस रिमाइंडर को हमने जीरो करना होता है. उसको जीरो कैसे करेंगे? वी विल कीप एडिंग जीरो इन द डिविडेंड. ओके, आप डिविडेंड में जीरो ऐड करते रहिए. आप जितनी बार मर्जी कर सकते हैं जब तक वो उसका रिमाइंडर जीरो ना आए. Got it? So you will add 0 in the dividend and then down it. Now it is 10. Now again divide by 2. 2 5 are the 10. Now it is your dividend is remainder is 0. So your quotient is 0.25 and your remainder is 0. Okay, this is the one concept of the decimal of the division of the decimal number. It is the new thing that we are adding. Okay, so dear students, today we studied about how we divide the decimal number. Now let us take another example. I will take 3.75. I will take the 3.75 uh, 3.75 I divide it by 6. So how I can divide it by 6? Okay, one digit in the divisor. You will take one digit from the dividend. So 3 is there, 6 is the 0. So 3 is left now. After that, it is the turn of decimal. Put the decimal in the quotient and down the next digit 7. Now 6 are the 36. 1 is left. Take the next digit 5. 6 2 are the 12. 6 2 are the 12. 3 is left. Now remainder is left there. So what will you do? You will add 1 0 in the dividend. Okay, you will add 1 0 in the dividend and down that 0. Now it is 30. Now divide it by 6. 6 5 are the 30. So your quotient is 0.625. Remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. So well students, based upon this in these examples you will solve the worksheet now. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.